Hello! Okay, stop. Bitcoin up, Bitcoin down, FUD. What actually happened in crypto this November? Upvember or Nopevember? Cryptocurrencies have a history of going crazy in November. Historically, September is usually a slow month. October is the month of recovery, and November is when corrections appear. It's always a month to remember. This time around, crypto investors saw their favorite cryptocurrencies hit all-time highs and then dive down amidst uncertainty. Bitcoin, for instance, was just a stone's throw away from hitting $70,000 in the first week of November. However, amid profit booking and fear of regulatory announcements, the cryptocurrency with the highest market cap took a nosedive and was trading below $60,000 by the end of the month. Well, enthusiasts are still optimistic that Bitcoin will most likely cross the $70,000 threshold before the end of the year. On the other end, naysayers say that the coin has now entered a bear market. This is when a cryptocurrency falls by more than 20% from its most recent highs. And Bitcoin has been falling in tandem with other risk assets amid new panic over heavily mutated variant of the coronavirus first detected in South Africa. According to the head of Skybridge Capital, Anthony Scaramucci, the COVID-driven sell-off is a buying opportunity in stocks and crypto, calling it the mini-March of 2020. India is set to introduce its crypto bill. Cryptocurrency regulation in India has been a bit of a roller coaster over the past few years. First, the RBI banned all cryptocurrency-related activity. Then the Supreme Court overturned the ban, calling it unconstitutional. Then the Indian government planned to introduce crypto regulation in February during the budget session of Parliament. However, that never made it to the table because of COVID-19 second wave and other restrictions. Since then, the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has issued numerous warnings about the dangers of cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi was seen calling on global cooperation among democratic nations to ward off the volatility of the crypto industry. Now the Indian government is planning to introduce the crypto bill, its second coming, during the winter session of the parliament. Moreover, it sparked the FUD in the market since they didn't change the wording of the agenda in the listing. Cryptocurrencies in India were seen trading at massive discounts as panic selling took over the possibility of another ban. There is no official draft in the public domain yet, so questions are lingering about what the government means by private cryptocurrency and what it means by prohibiting their use and what the possible exception may be. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has clarified a few things though. 1. The government has no plans of issuing Bitcoin the status of a legal tender. 2. The government does not collect data on Bitcoin transactions. 3. The new bill is in fact different from the 2019 bill which banned all virtual currency activity. 4. The government is yet to take a stance on the issue of televised crypto ads. And 5. Finally, the risk that cryptocurrencies can lead to undesirable activities is being closely monitored. The crypto community in India is hopeful that the government will take a softer stance on the industry after the multiple rounds of consultations that have happened through back channels in the last 10 months. They're also hoping for clarity around taxation and the other aspects that is just the legality of crypto. Metaverse. Creating virtual worlds because reality isn't enough anymore. November also saw a lot of chatter around the metaverse. One, because Facebook is changing its name to Meta and is announcing plans to create its own metaverse, which, by the way, many argue goes against the whole philosophy of having a decentralized setup. Because at the end of the day, the whole point of Web 3.0 was to keep the control and data out of the hands of tech giants or any central authority for that matter. The other reason is the booming real estate prices of land within existing metaverses like Decentraland and Axie Infinity, selling for more than $2 million. You can thank games like Minecraft, Fortnite and Roblox for the hype where players could create assets within the game. The only problem was that they were virtually useless when it came to the real world. However, within a metaverse, the assets created by gamers can be traded for tokens, which in turn can be exchanged for fiat money like the US dollar and the Indian rupee. You can make it, you can own it, and you can monetize it to pocket actual profits for your time and effort. And that's it for this month. If you like this video and you want to get an update on when the next roundup comes about, please do subscribe to the Business Insider India channel. Now off you go, work hard till you feel Bitcoin is cheap.